Namaste. Hi children, how are you? I am fine. Today discuss about large numbers. So, 6-digit number. First of all, how to go 5-digit number. The smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. 10,000. Now next, the greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. Okay? The greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. So 99,999 by adding 1 you can get 1 lakh. See here, 99,999. This is ones place, this is tens place, hundreds place, thousands place and 10,000s place. Now here by adding 1 you can get one new column. So here 5 places are there, here 6 places are there. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, the 6th place is called as lakhs place. So the smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. 1 lakh. See, listen carefully. See here, we know that a 5-digit number has 10,000, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones places. Already you know that, everybody. A 5-digit number has 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones places. So every 6-digit number, the smallest 6-digit number means 1 lakh. See here. Here, every 6-digit number shall have a new place beside the 10,000 place. This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. This is called as lakhs place. See here, a new place beside the 10,000s place, which will be the lakh place. Lakhs place. Let us the place value chart for the 6-digit number. See here. See one example. 7,98,567. See, listen carefully. See, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and 6-digit is called as lakhs place. So here ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. See here, listen carefully. See, the 6th place, new column, that is the beside of 10,000 place is called as lakhs place. 10,000 place beside new column is there, that is called as lakhs place. See here, 7 lakh. 7 is in lakhs place, 7 lakh 98. 9 is in 10,000 place, 8 is in thousands place. So 98,000. This is the thousands period. It has 2 places. Thousands period has 2 places, that is thousands place and 10,000s place. Now next, from right side last 3 digits, hundreds. 5 is in hundreds place, 6 is in tens place, 7 is in ones place. So it can be read as 7 lakh. 7 lakh 98,000. 98,567. While you are writing or reading the given number, first of all separated periods by using commas. This like only 7 lakh. Okay, 98,000. So 567. This from right to left side, first 3 places is goes to ones period. So it has three places, ones, tens and hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. These three places read all together. Now next fourth and fifth are the two places. This is fourth place, 8, and fifth place 9. This is thousands period. So fourth and fifth are the two places are in thousands period. So you can read together. So 98,000. 98,000. So this is last one. 7 is in lakhs place. So lakhs place has two. Lakhs period has two places. But here given only one place, that is 7. So it can be read as 7 lakh. So the number is 7,98,567. 7 is in lakhs place, 9 is in 10,000s place, 8 is in thousands place, 5 is in hundreds place, 6 is in tens place, and 7 is in ones place. So then you can write their expanded form. Very simple. See, listen carefully. So 7,98,567, that is cost. 7 is in lakhs place. So 7 into 1 lakh plus. So 9 is in 10,000s place. So 9 into 10,000 plus 8 is in thousands place. 8 into 1,000 plus 5 is in hundreds place. 5 into 100 plus 6 is in tens place. 6 into 10. 7 is in ones place. See region? 7 is in lakhs period, no? 7 into 1 lakh. So it can be written as 7 lakh. 7 ones are 7. How many zeros are there? 5 zeros are there. So 7 after you can write 5 zeros. 7 lakh plus 9 is in 10,000s place. 9 10,000s, 90,000. See, 90,000. So 9 after how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. You can write 4 zeros directly. Then 8 is in thousands place. Thousands means 8 after how many zeros you can write? 5 zeros. So 5 is in hundreds place. 500 plus 6 tens 60. 7 ones 7. This is the expanded form for the given number. See here, listen carefully. Here one notice is there. The sixth place is called, already I told to you people. The sixth place is the lakhs place. So here the smallest 6-digit number. The smallest 6-digit number. The smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. Then the largest or the biggest or the greatest, the largest, the biggest, the greatest 6-digit number is 9,99,999. See here, listen carefully. Now next 7-digit number. Next 7. Already I told in the previous classes 6, 7, 8. See here, listen carefully. This is the greatest 6-digit number is 9,99,999. By adding 1 you can get the smallest 7-digit number. See here, look at the blackboard everybody. 9,99,999 by adding 1. See, 9 plus 1 10, 0 taking, 1 carrying, 1 plus 9 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 10. See here, 9,99,999 is the greatest 6-digit number. By adding 1, you can get the 7-digit number coming. See how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The greatest 6-digit number has, how many places are there? Lakhs place. See here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. See here, this is the greatest 6-digit number, lakhs place. But here, the greatest 6-digit number has lakhs place, 10,000s place, thousands place, hundreds place, tens place, and ones place. Then the new column is there beside the lakhs place, that is called as 7th place is called as 10 lakhs place. See here, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th position, 7th place. The 7th place is called as 10 lakhs place. So the smallest 7-digit number is, the smallest 7-digit number is 10 lakh. The smallest 7-digit number is 10 lakh. See here, did you observe? 10 lakh. See the blackboard, everybody. 10 lakh. 10 lakh. While you are writing any number, first of all, separated periods by using commas. Because it is very easy to read any number. See here, here comma is there, here comma is there. See, once see, in a given number, from right side, first 3 places are called ones period. So it has ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Now next, 4th and 5th are the 2 places from right. This is called as thousands and this is called as 10,000. So this is thousands period. Thousands period. Now next, in a given number, 5th and 6th are the 2 places. 5th and 6th are the 2 places. So this is called as lakh. This is called as 10 lakh. So this is called as lakhs period. See here, according to the Indian place value chart, ones period has only 3 places, but thousands period, lakhs period and crores period, each period has 2 places. That is our Indian place values chart and system. See, the smallest 7-digit number is 10 lakh. The 7th place is called 10 lakhs place. So now consider one example. See here, given in your textbook. So how you can read it? See, 18,67,435. See, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh. It has 3 periods. Ones period, thousands period, lakhs period. So ones period has 3 places, read together. Thousands period has 2 places, read together. And lakhs period has 2 places, you can read together. Then here, from left to right side, 18 lakh 67,435. So you can write here ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, TL, 10 lakh. See here. See in 10 lakhs place, which digit is given? So 1 is in 10 lakhs place, 8 is in lakhs place, 6 is in 10,000 place, 7 is in thousands place, 4 is in hundreds place, 3 is in tens place, 5 is in ones place. Then you can write their expanded form. 18 lakh 67,435. See, 1 into 1 is in 10 lakhs place. So you can write 1 into 10 lakh. Now close the bracket. Next you have to go to 8. 8 is in lakhs place. 8 into lakh, 1 lakh. Plus 6 is in 10,000 place. 6 into 10,000. 7 is in thousands place. 7 into 1,000. Plus 4 is in hundreds place. 4 into 100. 3 is in tens place. 3 into 10. Plus 5 is in ones place. 5 into 1. See here. 1 into 10 lakh, 10 lakh. So 1 after, how many zeros you can write? Keep it behind. 1 is covered with your hand. 1 after how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Easy method. So you can write 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh. Now next we have to go to 8 is in lakhs place, then it can be written as 8 lakh. 8 after you can write 5 zeros. Plus 6 is in 10,000 place, 6 after you can write 4 zeros, 60,000. Plus 7 is in thousands place, 7,000. Plus 4 is in hundreds place, 400. Plus 3 is in tens place, 30. 5 is in ones place, 5 ones. So the biggest 7-digit number is what? The smallest 7-digit number is 10 lakh. The biggest 7-digit number is 99 lakh 99,999. So the biggest 7-digit number is 99 lakh 99,999. Okay, that is the biggest 7-digit number. See here, listen. The greatest 7-digit number is 99 lakh 99,999. See here, listen carefully. The biggest 7-digit number is 99 lakh 99,999. By adding 1, what do we get? 99 lakh 99,999 by adding 1. See here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 places are there. By adding 1 you can get 8 places. The 8th place is called crores place. Crores of place. See here. 9 plus 1 10, 0 taking, 1 carrying. 1 plus 9 10, 0 taking, 1 carrying. 10 1 0 taking, 1 carrying. 10 0 taking, 1 carrying. 10 0 taking, 1 carrying. 10 0 taking, 1 carrying. Here 10. See how many digits are there in it by adding 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. One new place is coming beside the 10 lakhs place. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8th place. So this is called as crores place. Did you understand? This is the smallest 8-digit number. See here, listen carefully. 1 crore. Crores period, lakhs period, thousands period, ones period. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is the 8th place. This is the new column beside of 10 lakhs place. Besides of 10 lakhs place, so it can be read as crores place. So this is the smallest 8-digit number. Smallest 8-digit number. So then the place value chart of 8-digit number. See here. How you can read it? See, listen. See, once tens, hundreds, once period, 1000, 10,000, thousands period, lakh and 10 lakh, lakhs period. Next, this is crores period. So you can write here ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, CR. See, 2 is in crores place, 3 is in 10 lakhs place, 5 is in lakhs place, 8 is in 10,000 place, 1 is in thousands place, 4 is in hundreds place, 9 is in tens place, 7 is in ones place. So then you can write their expanded form. See here, 2 crore, 35 lakh, 81,497. 2 crore, 2 into 2 after you can write 2 into 1 crore. Crore means okay, 2 crore. 1 tens, hundreds, thousand, 10 lakh, 10 lakh, crore. C. Plus 3 is in 10 lakhs place. 3 into 10 lakh. C. This is ones period. This is thousands period. This is lakhs period. 10 lakh. Next 5 is in lakhs place. 5 into lakh. 1 lakh. 5 up. 1 after 5 zeros. Plus 8 is in 10,000 place. 8 into 10,000. 1 is in thousands place. 4 is in hundreds place. 9 is in tens place. 7 is in ones place. So then you can write 2 crore. 2 crore, lakhs period, thousands period and ones period. 2 crore plus 30 lakh plus 5 lakh. 5 is in lakhs place, no? Plus 80,000. 80 is in 10,000 place. 1,000. 4 is in hundreds place. 400. 90. 9 is in tens place. 9 tens 90. Plus is 7. 7 is in ones place. So this is the value chart. The biggest 8-digit number. The biggest 8-digit number is 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. This is the biggest 8-digit number. Biggest 8-digit number is 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. Okay. See here, page number 14. Write the place value chart for the following number. Annadu. See here, listen carefully. See. Write the place value chart. For the following number. See here, 7 crore 41 lakh 63,528. Very easy. You can write their places in Indian place value chart. See here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. See here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. See, 7 is in crores place, 4 is in 10 lakhs place, 1 is in lakhs place, 6 is in 10,000 place, 3 is in thousands place, 5 is in hundreds place, 2 tens place and 8 is in ones place. That's it. So now next, let us see the place value chart for some numbers with the more than 5-digit numbers. Okay. See here, this is the ones period, this is the thousands period, this is the lakhs period and this is crores period. So it can be read as 7 crore 41 lakh 63,528. While you are writing a given number, first of all separate the periods by using commas. Okay, don't forget it. Never forget. See, now next. Sri, read this number. See, once period, thousands period, lakh period, lakhs period. 3,51,286. So you can write ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. 3 is in lakhs place, 5 is in 10,000 place, 1 is in thousands place, 2 is in hundreds place, 8 is in tens place, 6 is in ones place. That's it. Now next, see here, read this number. It has 3 periods. The given number. See here, this is ones period, thousands period, lakhs period. See here, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 20 lakh, 18,975. How many places are there? See, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, TTH, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 20 lakh, 18,975. 2 is in 10 lakhs place, 0 is in lakhs place, 1 is in 10,000 place, 8 is in thousands place, 9 is in hundreds place, 7 is in tens place, 5 is in ones place. So 20 lakh 18,975. So now next, last one. See here, read this number. Are you able to read? See, how many periods are there in it? Ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period. See here, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 1 crore, 25 lakh, 13,694. So you can write here, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. See here, 1 crore, 1 is in crores place, 25 lakh. 25 lakhs means 2 is in 10 lakhs place and 5 is in lakhs place. In 10 lakhs place you can write 2, 5 is in lakhs place, 1 is in 10,000 place, 3 is in thousands place, 6 is in hundreds place, 9 is in tens place, 4 is in ones place. So the number is 1 crore 25 lakh 13,694. 1 crore, crores period. Next, lakhs period. 25 lakh. 2 is in 10 lakhs place, 5 is in lakhs place. So 25 lakh 13,694. Okay. So everybody practice at home. Stay home. Be happy. Thank you.